Hello dear friends, and today we are going to show you about repairing of different LED bulbs at home. So you can see here, first of all we will try this one. We open it, I show you. You can see here, now we connect to the AC supply. You can see here, I will check the AC voltage. First of all I set it on 200 AC. Now see, okay, the voltage is coming, so we will connect the bulb again in the testing holder. These LEDs are connected in series. First of all you have to check the DC voltage here from the kit. You can see here, I have set the meter on 200 DC, and it should show approximately 100 plus minus 5%, but it should show approximately 100 volts. You can see here, yeah, it is showing 115 approximately. So the kit is okay. Now it's final that the circuit kit is okay. It is giving us the output voltage, that is DC. Now we have to see these LEDs one by one. We have to check these with this piece of wire. When I bypass the faulty LED, all other LEDs are glowing that time. So in this way we have located the fault in the LED. See this dead LED, there is a black dot inside it. We can replace this dead LED with a new one, but if we don't have a new one available, so that time we have to short it, we have to bypass it with the help of solder. You can see here, I break it now. After removing that dead LED, we have to bypass it with the help of solder, or we have to connect its positive and negative terminal. You can see here, we short it. In this way you can easily repair any kind of LED at your home. But remember, if you think the LED strip is okay, no LED has been damaged, then the fault may be inside the lamp, that is in the kit. So you can see our other videos about the repairing of kit in a bulb. Finally the light has been restored, the bulb is glowing bright. So thanks for watching the video. Have a nice time. Bye bye.